Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass on Roblox for please donate. So if you want to make a game pass for please donate, basically we want game pass for please donate only to list your game donation button here. So basically if you stand any next to empty stand and if you hold the E button, your game passes will be listed here. Basically, these game passes are basically act as a donation button. So if someone purchase from here, you will get the donation. If you will get the donation out of it. So I'll show you how can you make these game passes on Roblox if you don't have created yet. So you just need to guys open a browser on mobile or a PC, and now you just need to go to roblox.com. On this website, go to. Now you have to click on this create tab, and now if you don't see this page on mobile, you have to enable desktop mode to see this page. And now you just need to click on default experience, that will be by your username. You can see. When you click on it, now you just need to go to in menu and go to under monetization product and click on product. Here guys, you just need to click on this. Now you just need to click on this create pass, and now you just need to click on this enter name. You just need to enter your name here, name of the game pass like GA1, and you have to enter demo like demo. So I just need to remove this demo, and now you just need to I'm not being able to, yeah. Now you just need to click on this create pass button. After this, to set up for the please donate, you have to click on the newly created game pass and click on sales. Now click on a item for sale. Now enter the cost of the game pass and click on save changes. Once you save the configuration of game pass, you just need to open please donate, and now you just need to let me unclaim it first because to update it, and now let me claim it first again. And as you can see, my all the new game passes will be listed here after creating it. Fine. So I can change my so hope you like it guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.